Did you know famous and hot actresses Jennifer Aniston like to do swimming? Aniston tries to attend freestyle swimming 3 to 4 times a week for approx 30 minutes. But why do famous Hollywood actors do it and like it? So today in this video I am going to tell you how exactly swimming can help you to burn your body fat, and 3 other extra benefits of swimming. So don't miss the opportunity to learn the extra benefits of swimming and watch the entire video to know about it. Now without wasting time, let's get started. How swimming can exactly work to lose your body extra fat. Did you know water has around 830 times more dense than air? That is why you have to push your body more hard while you are swimming. If you swim for around 30 minutes, it can help you to burn approx 250 to 350 calories, in case if your weight is around 150 pounds. And it depends on your swimming style, like freestyle stroke, butterfly stroke, breaststroke and backstroke. Tip: when you try to swim, you have to be fast and try to swim as fast as possible to get a good result burning body fat. If you combine great healthy food with swimming, you will get great results in your weight loss journey within no time. When you are swimming, you are not just burning calories, but at the same time, you are building your muscle strength. By building muscles, your body is going to boost your metabolism, which may turn to burn even more calories. Now I am going to tell you the rest of the benefits of swimming, as I promised to you at the beginning of the video, which can help to improve your health. The 3 best and healthy benefits of swimming are as follow. Benefits number 1. Swimming is healthy for your heart. While you are swimming, you have to push yourself hard to move ahead. As a result, your body blood circulation is going to get fast, which may help your heart to pump faster. And if your heart pumps harder in such kind of swimming exercise, it will be healthy for you. I can say this is one of the major benefits you have while you are swimming. I hope to know such kind facts about swimming blows your mind. And if you are more struggling with your weight loss problem, you can watch our video 6 simple ways to lose weight. You have to click on the I button which just popped up above. Now let's move ahead with the rest other benefits of swimming. Benefit number 2. Swimming is good for joint pains. If you will do regular swimming, the muscles around your knee is going to build up. And if you are suffering from arthritis, swimming can be a really good choice for you. Why it is good? Because while doing swimming for a long time may help you to release the stiffness of joints, and which can help you to release your pain in long term. Benefit number 3. Swimming keeps you sweat-free and improves your mood. Swimming is different from rest other exercises. We have to sweat out when we do rest other exercises. But as a swimmer, you will never go to sweat. The water around your body helps you to keep your body cool, and due to which your body will be sweat and stink free. Just keeping your body in a swimming pool helps you to refresh your mood, and which may cause you to improve your mental health. Now, what are you waiting for? Go and start to do swimming. The things which I explained to you today I hope will help you out. If you liked the video, hit the like button and leave a comment below. Share this video with your family and friends if you find this video will help them out. If you want to lose weight and looking for more good health related information like this, you can subscribe to our channel, which can help you to stay more healthy. You can follow us on the Instagram, a link is in the description. And thank you so much to watch this video. Stay healthy, stay safe. See you soon, bye.